This is why you might want to take the Silva UltraMind seminar. It's coming up in September. And if you want to get rid of stress and you want to get rid of anxiety and you want to develop your intuition, your intuitive powers are the most valuable tools you can have in these times. It has been proven that intuition is more accurate than linear thinking. You know, where you're using the left side of your brain, analyzing a situation and trying to get an answer. It's that intuition that kicks in when you activate the right side of your brain that gives you the most accurate information. And we're living in times where you need to know things. You need to know what's real, what's not real, what's true, what's not true, who's sending you down the wrong path, who's trying to, help you. People are very confused. I've never seen anything like it. Many people have lost their moral compass. Many people are so confused because they've been taking antidepressants. They don't sleep well. I mean, we've got problems. I think you're all aware of that. But if you're a metaphysical person, if you're a spiritual teacher, if you're a student of metaphysics and spirituality, you know there is a way out. There is always a solution. And this is the time of the Great Awakening. This is the time to empower yourself, to enlighten yourself, to step off the matrix, to do what you need to do in order to free yourself from all the craziness that's surrounding you, because you really don't need to be part of the insanity. You can find your inner peace. Silva training is one of the best tools out there. Check it out. It's on my website, rebeccatripp.com. And you might want to read my book, which can help you figure out how to solve problems that come up, because I had all kinds of things thrown at me in my life. Read the book and you'll find out. It's nothing but 5-star reviews on Amazon, but buy it directly from me and I'll send you an autographed signed copy, and it's cheaper than buying it on Amazon. So I hope you'll take a look.